Now we will discuss about Johnson VFD error handling and troubleshooting training. Like we will explain how we can resolve error in the Johnson VFD if you are facing any. There is one error, VFD reset. Error code is ERR. Okay, it's execute when we reset the VFD. When we give the command from the communication or display unit, that time when it is getting reset, only that time it comes error. Okay, and if we want to resolve this, we have to check if it is coming continue. We have to check if it is coming continuously reset command either from any digital input output or at another place. So we have to check that if that is corrected, at that time this error will be resolved, so it will not come again. So for this you have to do this task only to resolve this error.